Okay, students. So now we are going to start the kidneys structural and functional unit. बच्चे nephron is called as structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay, so बच्चे nephron consists of various parts. First of all, it has a cup-like structure called as Bowman's capsule. Okay, so inside Bowman's capsule you will see the clusters of blood vessels that is called as glomerulus. So बच्चे glomerulus is the clusters of blood vessels present inside the Bowman's capsule. The blood with high pressure will move in this glomerulus and it will get filtered, and the clean blood will move into this efferent arteriole. So the useless substances along with some of the useful material will be passed to the tubular section. Okay, so here most of the filtrate will be having glucose, amino acids, salts, water and urea. Okay, so we will see this vein will be blood capillary will be surrounding all over the nephron, so that the reabsorption can take place. Okay, so these arrows will show the reabsorption of material. Okay, so various types of material will be reabsorbed. Okay, so it contains various types of glucose, amino acid, urea, water and other minerals which will be reabsorbed, and only the urine and along with some water will be passed to the collecting duct. Okay, so further from this collecting duct only the urine will be there. The urine, see, now this is the collecting ducts. Okay, so it is being attached to the ureters. Okay, so ureters will go to the urinary bladder. The urine will be stored and the urine will be passed from the urethra. Okay, so बच्चे here when this is very important question, most of the time they are asking about the structural and functional unit of kidney, that is nephron, and the structure is also very very important. It is also there, the only diagram which is there in your NCERT question answers. Okay, so बच्चे the next topic is renal failure and technology for the survival. बच्चे renal word stands for kidney. Okay, so here they are asking if what will happen if the kidney of a person is failed. But you know very well that there are two kidneys present in human beings. Okay, so if one kidney is failed and other kidney is working properly, then also a person can survive its life in a good way. But if both the kidneys are failed, then it is very important to get kidney transplantation. Only this is the method for the survival, that is kidney transplantation, because it is important